Hey guys, I'm back.
Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it fast, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like that, move it like that, make it like that, like that. Do it like that.
I know it's been a while, but I'm back and today we're gonna be making some Turkish Delight rose scones. This is in honor of Valentine's Day. Scones are very easy to make. You could do this by hand or in your food processor or even your standing mixer. It's completely up to you. You're just gonna add some dry ingredients to a bowl with some baking powder, cream of tartar, and salt. And you're gonna work into this flour 1 stick of cut up cold butter. Do this with your hands or with a fork. You don't want to melt this butter. You want it to just keep cold. That way you can see all the nice little layers when you cut into your scone. So how's everyone doing out there? I want to thank all of you who reached out to me during my month-long absence. A 1-week break ended up turning into almost 2-month break. You know how it goes with work. It's always something. But I'm back now. This channel, it's pretty much my life. This is what I have here. It looks like sandy and you could still see big chunks of butter in there, but it's just all very incorporated into the flour. So now I have this tray that I'm gonna put the dough down into and incorporate the wet ingredients. The oven is preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make a little well in the middle and add all of that wet ingredients, which is pretty much just milk. This is 6 ounces of milk.
I'm up to my level, wanna see the view.
And to make these rose flavor, I have here a tablespoon of rose water. This is the one I'm using today. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And look what I have here. This, guys, is one of the most wonderful candies in the world, Turkish Delight. For those of you who have never seen this candy before, it's kind of a mixture between like a jelly texture. It's just, they're very strange. They're kind of like a gummy bear, but they're too stringy to be a gummy bear, but they're too dense to be a jelly. The taste is very difficult to describe unless you've had it before. You're gonna need 3 ounces. Add all this cut up Turkish Delight into the dough and just finish forming it.
Baby, can you handle it? Handle me. Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it last, fast, bring it right back. Wear it like
All right, go ahead and cut it into 6 parts.
Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it.
Brush this with some egg wash.
Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it last, fast.
These are gonna bake for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that those are baking in the oven, it's time to work on the best part, the rose glaze that goes on top. Turkish Delight is a little bit sweet, but it's not nearly as sweet as gummy bears. So as you saw, there was no sugar in those scones. So this glaze is just highly recommended. Not only is it the most pretty pink color, but it's also the tastiest. I'm adding some more of that rose water to a little plate. I'm gonna mix it with some pink food coloring and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. We're gonna mix this with powdered sugar. Ooh. Now our glaze is ready and we wait for the scones. Now who out there likes Valentine's Day? I don't really like the holidays so much. You know, a whole day about love. Love to me is a lifestyle, not just one day, okay guys? The whole next few videos for the month of February are gonna be Valentine's themed, AKA lots of very pretty pinks and purple colored recipes. So stay tuned if you're into that. Halfway there, look how they're rising just a mile high. Because we didn't really touch them too much, the butter stayed nice and cold inside in big chunks. So it's just getting each layer so delicious, like a biscuit. Oh my gosh. Wow, they're ready. I love how the butter, like, it started gushing out of the scones, and then after, it kind of like soaked back into the scone. Ow! Oh my god. Ah, that was so hot. All right, guys, time for the fun part. Ooh. Oh, wow. These scones are very delicate. Oh my gosh. Mmm. This rose scone would not be complete without a little rose petals. Rip it open. Oh, the layers. Oh my goodness. This is like a biscuit. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, the bottom is super crispy. It's like all the butter melted, caramelized, and then got soaked right back up into the scone. Wonderful flavor. The Turkish Delight got kind of like a gooey texture. Bring these to anybody for Valentine's Day and they will be blown away with its uniqueness. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.
Telling me your name, I'm the pieces, players, and the fans, baby. I'm the